ஹாய் செல்லக்குட்டீஸ், எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போற வீடியோ and guess the word. Okay, let's get started. Which is the tallest animal? Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. Find the odd one out. Find the odd one out. Okay, good. Find the biggest fruit. Find the biggest fruit. Watermelon. Which one begins with letters S? Which one begins with letters S? Snake. Guess the vegetable. Guess the vegetable. Beetroot. Which country flag is this? Which country flag is this? Israel. Guess the animal. Guess the animal. Dolphin. Guess the sport. Guess the sport. Volleyball. Guess the fruit. Guess the fruit. Kiwi. Which is the fastest animal? Which is the fastest animal? Cheetah. Guess the day. Guess the day. Sunday. Which transport is this? Water transport, air transport, rail transport, road transport. Yes, good, air transport. ஓகே செல்ல குட்டிங்களா, பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். பாய் பாய்.